So that I have shown you. If one input, if you connect to the plus 5 volt, so now the other input just it is complemented. So A bar हो जाएगा. So that's most beautiful property that we are getting from the exclusive orbit. और एक मजा की बात है, important thing is that फिर से हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं इसको. If it is grounded, okay, if it is grounded, and if you write here A, so output will be simply A. So that means transparent. So whatever be the input, that will go to the output without any change. So if you follow the truth table, okay, if you follow the truth table, that also will come out. So you can draw the truth table once again because it was disconnected due to time boundaries. So 0 0 output is 0 0 1 output is 1 1 0 output is 1. It's a 1 1 output is okay. So this is the case, and as we have seen, this is 1. So now it is not good. Okay. Now यहाँ पे देखो, when both the inputs are low, तो क्या होता है देखो 0 0 नो चेंज 1 1. सो ट्रांसपेरेंट इनपुट में जो है वो आउटपुट में होता है. सो आउटपुट इज इक्वल टू इनपुट. सो इफ इट इज y, so here you can write y is equal to b. यहाँ पे तुम क्या लिख सकते हो y is equal to b bar. So thing is that the concept is that between these two inputs, if you apply plus 5 volt, okay, at one input, so the other input देखो a होगा तो आउटपुट में a बार हो जाएगा from this concept. Or one input if you connect with the ground potential, then the other input देखो जो होगा वो आउटपुट में सेम रहेगा. So ट्रांसपेरेंट होगा. So ये दो जो concept है, these two concepts are very much strong concept and these are very much useful in next cases. So if you have any doubt regarding this NOT gate, okay, or the implementation of exclusive OR gate, so you can ask me the question. So this is basically usefulness of exclusive OR gate. आगे में और कुछ हम लोग सीखेंगे तो आता. तो if you have any doubt, so तुम बोल सकते हो. Okay. So from truth table, you have to remember truth table of exclusive OR gate. एंड ईट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स में तुम लोग बहुत सारे एप्लीकेशन कर चुके हो exclusive OR गेट का. कंपैरेटर डिजाइन में भी तुम लोग यूज कर सकते हो. पेरिटी चेकर पेरिटी जनरेटर में तुम यूज कर सकते हो. ठीक है. पैरेलल एडर के टाइम भी एडर सब्ट्रैक्टर सर्किट में हम लोग यूज किए हैं. तो बहुत जगह में हम लोग बहुत सारा प्लेस में हम लोग exclusive OR गेट यूज किए. So that's why I am dealing with details of exclusive OR gate. Okay. Now क्या है मल्टीप्लेक्सर्स. ओके. मल्टीप्लेक्सर क्या होता है? So basically in one word you can say that multiplexer is a logical device, combinational circuit, okay, that converts many into one. What I told you, many into one. So मतलब क्या है? Many का मतलब क्या है? Many means many inputs. Okay. One means only one. So you have several input, but the device having single output. So that means there is a conflict. Among several inputs, which one taking place at the output? Which one move to which one among several inputs? Which one will be at the output? That you have to select, isn't it? Otherwise, you can't send. Haphazardly, you can't send. Okay. So suppose 4 cross 1 मान लो जैसे जैसे मैंने बोला many into 1. Okay, many means you are having suppose m number of inputs, तो आउटपुट में क्या होगा? सिंगल होगा. So among m input you have to select m1. So as selection comes into the consideration, so that means you are having some select input. We'll show you detail in the next class. Okay, coming class, tomorrow class, how to use multiplexer, what is the implications of importance of using multiplexer circuit. So that I uh, tell you. But you time being remember many into one means several inputs are there, but you are having only one output. तो several inputs से कोई ना कोई तो आउटपुट में जाएगा. तो कौन इनपुट जाएगा उसके लिए तुम्हारे पास कुछ सिलेक्ट इनपुट होना जरूरी है. So there is a relation between the select inputs and the original input to the device. So that is nothing but if m is the caps m, if m is the number of original input to the multiplexer, and that can be written as 2 to the power of n. So where n is the number of select input. Okay, where n is the number of select input. So that means if 8 is the caps m, so small n क्या होगा? n का वैल्यू 3 होगा. So if m is equal to 8, so naturally n का वैल्यू होगा how much? 3. So 8 cross 1 मल्टीप्लेक्सर के लिए सिलेक्ट इनपुट कितना होना जरूरी है? 3 होना जरूरी है. Okay, so using these 3 select inputs, we have to select any one input out of 8 inputs, and that selected input will go to the output without any change. Whatever be the data at that particular input, that will go to the output without any change. Okay, so this is final for the today's class. Tomorrow we have one more class over there. We can explain all these things. So one thing I want to share with you. Okay, I am very much interested to share one thing because I got doctorate degree on 8th October of this month. Okay, so uh, I got many inspiration from the student side. Okay, so that's why thanks to all my student community to have that sort of degree. So thank you all. Tomorrow we'll meet again at 9 a.m. And today we have one more class on digital communication. I think it is on 3rd June. Okay, so we'll join over there. Thank you very much for today's session. किसी को कुछ डाउट है तो बोलो, नहीं तो हम खत्म करेंगे. Okay, टाइम इज ओवर.